Hi, I am Dr. Neeraj Agarwal. I am a practicing laparoscopic surgeon in the city of Gurgaon at City Surgical and Maternity Center. I welcome you all on World Hepatitis Day. Hepatitis is inflammation of liver, which means swelling of liver. Hepatitis can be caused by infectious viruses and non-infectious agents. The infectious viruses responsible for hepatitis are hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, and hepatitis E. Out of these, hepatitis A and E are caused by infected water and contaminated fecal-oral route, while hepatitis B, C, and D are caused by infected blood and unsafe sexual intercourse with a contaminated person. If at all a patient develop hepatitis, then he will present with features of jaundice, fever, fatigue, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, dark color urine, clay colored stool, and diarrhea. If patient is diagnosed properly, investigated properly, then he should be treated by a qualified doctor and the patient will become alright for hepatitis. But the hallmark for hepatitis is prevention of hepatitis. For example, if you take vaccine against hepatitis B and C, then 90% of the mortality caused by hepatitis B and C can be prevented. So what are do's and don'ts for hepatitis? You should take sufficient rest and take adequate amount of water. Do not consume tobacco and alcohol. Wash your hands with soap and water after going to the toilet. Cover your wounds properly. Discard used item carefully so that accidental exposure can be prevented. Get yourself vaccinated against hepatitis B and C. If you are pregnant, then get yourself tested for hepatitis and practice safe hygiene to avoid sexual transmission. Do not use any personal item of an infected person. Do not share razors or toothbrushes of infected person. If you are infected with hepatitis, do not feed your child or donate blood. Do not drink alcohol. Avoid traveling to infected areas. Do not take medications like acetaminophen. You should take only those medications which are prescribed by the doctor. Thank you.